How hard the tarmac should be tamped down during installation is to compact it firmly until no movement is observed and the surface feels solid underfoot. Start by laying tarmac in even lifts no more than 2 inches thick so each layer can be compacted uniformly. Compacting in thinner lifts prevents voids and uneven density. Use a plate compactor for larger areas and a hand tamper for edges and small spots, and move the compactor at a steady walking pace to avoid overworking one area. Check density by walking the surface and looking for any visible displacement or finger indentation. If the material shifts or depresses, compact again immediately. Maintain consistent moisture content. Slightly damp tarmac compacts better, but avoid wet conditions that cause smear and weak bonding. Compact overlapping passes by about 50% of the compactor width, so every point gets multiple compacting hits for uniform density. Finish with a lighter pass for a smooth texture and to close surface voids while ensuring the layer underneath is fully locked in. Common mistakes include undercompacting, which leads to later settling and depressions on driveways. Remedy this by repeating compaction passes until no movement is observed and testing by stepping across the surface to confirm solidity. Overcompacting while the mix is too wet can cause smearing and poor interlock, which reduces strength. Avoid this by checking moisture and waiting for slight tackiness rather than puddling before compacting. Skipping proper lift thickness or trying to compact a very thick single lift can trap air and produce voids. Always place material in consistent thin lifts and compact each one fully before adding the next. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who can install and compact tarmac correctly, and we help contractors find work in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field tips, ask questions, and post photos to compare techniques.